have a good day, Dr. Putri Zulaiha and other panels. I am Kuraisha Binti Kambali, the project manager for our company that consists of 7 roles. Will bid proposal for tender that titled Membina Masjid Kampung Our Gading, Kuala Lipis, Pahang. For the type of development, we're going to choose CAS in situ method. The reason we choose CAS in situ method is because we're going to construct only one mosque, and the main reason is of course the cost of the construction. Maintenance cost of cast in situ concrete structure is less compared to the precast concrete structure. Secondly, in terms of strength, cast in situ has high level of strength. It is also relatively resistant to structural damage in the event of an earthquake, flood, and other natural disaster. As we know, Pahang is one of the states in Malaysia where flood always occur every year. And lastly, cast in situ concrete has high degree of insulation it provides. This includes thermal insulation, which keeps basement from taking on the cold temperatures and moisture from the earth around them.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ilyas bin Makali. I will continue with the type of PMC adopt in this project. In this project, the client requests project management and consultancy due to lack project management expertise and need project management advice from an external impartial party. As you can see here, there is 4 phase in this project. First is feasibility. This is an evaluation of the project goals, timeline and cost to determine if the project should be executed. Next is design and planning. At this stage, all the tasks required to complete this project are listed and organized into the work breakdown structure. Next is development. This is where the project begins. In this phase, the project manager needs to assess the progress regularly to make sure the project meets the schedule and budget and also meet the owner's scope and quality requirement. Lastly is closeout. This phase begins just as the project complete. During the project closeout, we will have to turn over the documents such as project documentation and turnover document. Okay, next I will continue with the types of organizational structure. We will use project task organization. Project-based organization often have individual units called departments, but they can either report directly to the project manager or provide support services to the various projects. Project manager has great deal of independence and authority.
Hi, my name is Yushami Ikmember Muhammad Yushaini. I want to talk about cost of project. The cost of this project is about 1,811,400 ringgit Malaysia. This cost is covered from preliminaries, earthwork, piling work, reinforced work, masonry work, finishes, mechanical and electrical, external work, and project closeout. To find the expenses during this project, we can do the S-curve. So to find the S-curve, first we must find the average of cost per day. Next, we cumulative the average cost per day, which is the last day is equal to the total cost of this project. The cumulative, we can plot it into a graph and we can see the flow expense during this project.
Hi, I'm Anas Binti with ID number AA19096. So now I'll show you the Gantt chart for our project, which will be run for 365 days from 1st of February 2022 until 12th of February 2023. We'll start from the preliminary works, which will run for 75 days, involving initial survey and site checking and setting out from 1st of February 2022 until 6th of April 2022. And then the earthwork, which will involve excavating and backfilling, which will run for 47 days. Piling work of lower and upper segment pile, which will involve 5 days of each, starting from 3rd of June until 12th of June 2022. The construction of RCC foundation columns, beam, roof beam and slab, which will take 80 days. The masonry work, which will take 24 days from 1st of September until 24th of September 2030. And for the finishing, which is plastering, door and window works, tiling, painting and sanitary fitting, will take 55 days from 25th of September until 18th of November 2022. And for mechanical and electrical work, which will take 47 days in. So we can proceed to the external work, which are drainage and sewerage work, road work and parking, and also the installation gate, which will start at the same date. And finally, for the closeout, which will take 7 days from 5th to 11th of February 2023. And that's all for our Gantt chart of our project. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Nura Aina Binti Hanafi. We'll continue with the method statement of general construction work in our project. First, let's look at preliminary work. We have initial survey and site checking and setting out. which is an initial site visit to be made along with consultant representative to confirm the site and delimitation. Second, earthwork. We have excavation work and backfilling work. Excavation work, it shall be done in a safe and sequential manner on the basis of the prepared plan drawing and in accordance with the instruction by the engineer. Third, in piling work, crane will lift up the lower segment pile and pile position shall be adjusted by moving the ladder. When the lower segment have been drive, the second segment will position concentric to the bottom segment and align vertically. Next, we have construction of RCC foundation, column, beam, roof beam and slab. In this part, we have reinforced steel work, formwork and concrete work. Masonry work. Brickwork shall be constructed from the bottom to the top process. Check regularly the vertically and straightness during bricklaying by ruler and plumb. For finishing work, we have door and window work, plastering, tiling, painting and sanitary fitting. For mechanical and electrical work, we have plumbing work, electrical work and air conditioning or ventilation work. We also have external work. We have drainage and sewerage work, road work and parking and gate. Lastly, we have close out. The contractor or project manager need to be sure that all part of the project are truly completed.
Hi, hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurmadia Binti Mahadi. So I'm going to tell you about WBS. So WBS is from method of statement, and it's just that it will be performed in Excel. So as you can see from the result, our main title is construction of Masjid Kampung Aru Gading, and our parent task will be, for example, preliminary work, and below it will be child task, which is initial survey and site, and also setting out. So as you can see from the result, project manager is Kuraisha. Below her will be 4 main parent. The first one is design professional. Below design will be architect Ilyas, site engineer Siti Nurmadiha, consultant Aina Yasmin. The second is quantity surveyor Yushahmi Ikmal. The third one is contractor Sofia Adiba, and the last one is safety officer Nurul Aina.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Sofia Adiba. I hope that everybody in connection. So I will continue with the critical path method. So critical path method is a method that you will get to know your critical path of your project and also your float. So this is our network analysis. So basically we are using AON, the type of network analysis, which is NOT is for activities and also arrow is for logically relationship between the activities. So for the PERT analysis is used for determining the chances or percentage in winning or failing in order to meeting the completions of the project within the due date. So this is the network analysis for our PERT analysis. We are still using AON for our type of network analysis for arrow and NOT, and this question beside me is stated that 92% chances for us to complete this project within the due date.
In summary, our company really offers the best options for these project constructions. Not only the cost is low, but we will make sure to complete the project within the estimated time given and ensure all the work done smoothly.